how do we ensure the future of semiconductor innovation? KLA Corporation is leading the way with cutting-edge technology and advanced manufacturing solutions. In this video, we'll dive into KLA Corporation and explore how it's shaping the future of semiconductor process control. From their cutting-edge technologies to their sustainability initiatives, we'll cover everything that makes KLA a leader in this critical industry. Founded in 1975, KLA Corporation is a global leader in semiconductor process control and yield management, helping semiconductor manufacturers produce high-performance devices. Mission: to provide innovative process control and yield management solutions that help our customers deliver high-performance semiconductor devices. Vision: to be the global leader in semiconductor process control, enabling the efficient and sustainable production of next-generation technologies. In 2022, KLA reported $9.5 billion in revenue, with a market capitalization of over $70 billion. The company has strong profit margins and continues to grow as the semiconductor industry expands. KLA is led by CEO Richard P. Wallace, whose vision for the company focuses on innovation, customer satisfaction, and global expansion in the semiconductor sector. KLA is poised for continued growth in the semiconductor industry, with expanding markets in AI, 5G, and automotive technology. KLA is committed to sustainability, reducing its environmental impact, and driving green initiatives in the semiconductor manufacturing process. KLA's flagship products include wafer inspection systems, metrology tools, and defect detection technologies, all essential in the semiconductor manufacturing process. KLA is a dominant player in the semiconductor process control market with a leadership position in wafer inspection and metrology tools. KLA is highly regarded by its customers for its advanced semiconductor technologies and strong market presence. Investors see KLA as a reliable growth company due to its strong market share and consistent innovation. KLA's growth could be affected by economic downturns and changes in semiconductor demand. Geopolitical risks and industry competition are also challenges that KLA may face. KLA's cutting-edge technology in wafer inspection and defect detection is crucial for semiconductor manufacturers to ensure high-quality devices. KLA's role in sustainability and green energy initiatives helps shape the future of semiconductor production with a reduced environmental footprint. Stay tuned for more insights on KLA Corporation and how it's revolutionizing semiconductor manufacturing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Why is KLA a great investment? KLA's industry leadership, strong market share, and innovative solutions make it a great long-term investment in the semiconductor sector.